1 penny, 2 pennies, shiny and round. 3 pennies, 4, let's count what we found. Nickels are next, they're bigger, you see. 5 cents each, they come in a spree. Count the coins, stack them high. Learning money, oh my, oh my. Every coin has a worth and name. Let's learn to play the money game. Dimes are small, but don't be fooled. 10 cents each, now we're money schooled. Quarters are next, big and bold. 25 cents, silver and cold. Coins and bills, what fun it brings. We count, we save, we buy nice things. With every coin we learn to share. Money lessons everywhere. Let's buy a toy, how much to pay? Add the coins and shout hooray. Save in a jar, save every cent.